flush your kidneys instantly. It was a quiet morning, just after sunrise. A man in his early 60s stood in the bathroom a little longer than usual, noticing the color seemed darker than normal. He paused, slightly uncomfortable, but brushed it off as nothing. Maybe just not enough water yesterday. By lunchtime, he felt a bit more tired than usual, but couldn't quite explain why. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever experienced something small like that and simply moved on with your day? What many people don't realize is that these subtle changes can be early signals from your body, especially your kidneys, quietly asking for support. They don't always cause pain. In fact, they often show up as minor shifts, changes in urine, energy levels, or how your body feels overall. And because they seem harmless, they're easy to ignore. Everything we're going to cover in this video is carefully fact-checked and supported by current health research, so you can understand not just what's happening, but why it matters, in a clear and practical way. But here's where it gets interesting. There's one common habit, something many people do every single day without thinking, that feels completely normal, even safe, yet it may be placing more strain on your kidneys than you realize. We'll get to that shortly. And more importantly, there's a simple change, something easy to apply in your daily routine, that we'll discuss near the end of this video, which could make a meaningful difference in how your body supports itself over time. Number 1. Coconut water. Have you ever wondered if something as simple as what you drink each day could quietly be helping, or slowly stressing your kidneys without you even realizing it? Most people focus on food, but overlook hydration, and that's where small habits can make a big difference, especially as we get older. Picture this for a moment. It's a warm afternoon, you feel a little tired, maybe slightly dizzy, and your mouth is dry. You reach for a sugary drink or just ignore the feeling altogether. It doesn't seem like a big deal, right? But inside your body, your kidneys are working overtime, trying to balance fluids, filter waste, and keep everything running smoothly. And when they don't get the support they need, they struggle silently. Now here's something many people don't realize. Coconut water is one of the closest natural drinks to your body's own fluid balance. It contains electrolytes like potassium, which your kidneys rely on to maintain proper function. Unlike heavily processed drinks, it hydrates you in a way that feels almost effortless to your system. Let me explain this in a simple way. Your kidneys act like a filter and a balancing system at the same time. They need enough fluid to flush out toxins, but they also need the right minerals to do that job efficiently. Coconut water gives you both, hydration and electrolytes, without overloading your body with sugar or artificial ingredients. That's why many people say they feel refreshed almost immediately after drinking it. But here's the surprising part. Mild dehydration is incredibly common, especially in adults over 50. You may not even feel thirsty, yet your body is already running low on fluids. When that happens, waste products can become more concentrated, making your kidneys work harder than they should. Over time, that strain adds up. Let me ask you something. How often do you go through the day without drinking enough water, only to realize it later? It happens more than people admit. And that's where something simple like coconut water can quietly step in and support your body. Now, I want to be honest with you. Ignoring hydration isn't something that shows immediate warning signs. It's subtle. Maybe you feel more fatigued, maybe your urine becomes darker, maybe you just don't feel as sharp as you used to. These small signals are easy to dismiss, but they matter. Your body is trying to communicate. On the other hand, when you start giving your body consistent hydration, especially with something natural like coconut water, you may notice small but meaningful changes. Better energy, clearer thinking, a feeling of lightness. These aren't dramatic overnight transformations, but they are real, and they build over time. Think of it this way, you're not trying to fix your kidneys instantly. You're supporting them, gently and consistently, so they can do what they were designed to do. And here's the empowering part. This is something completely within your control. You don't need complicated routines or expensive solutions. Sometimes, it really is about making a better choice when you reach for a drink. So the next time you feel that slight dryness or fatigue, pause for a second. Ask yourself, what does my body actually need right now? Not what's convenient. Because small choices like this, repeated daily, can shape how you feel in the months and years ahead. And your body, especially your kidneys, will thank you for it. Number 2. Lemon water. Have you ever stopped to think that something as small as the first drink you take in the morning could either support your kidneys or quietly make their job harder? It sounds almost too simple, but many people overlook this one daily habit, and it adds up over time. Let me paint a quick picture. You wake up, maybe feeling a little sluggish. Your mouth is dry, your body feels stiff, and the first thing you reach for is coffee or tea. It's comfortable. But what your body actually needed in that moment wasn't caffeine, it was hydration. Real, gentle hydration to wake up your system. Now here's where lemon water comes in. There's a little-known fact that surprises many people. After hours of sleep, your body is naturally slightly dehydrated, and your kidneys are dealing with more concentrated waste. That's not dangerous in the short term, but over time, if it becomes a pattern, it puts extra strain on your system. Starting your day with lemon water can help wake up your kidneys and support that natural flushing process. And no, it's not magic. It's actually quite simple. Your kidneys rely heavily on fluid to filter waste out of your blood and send it out through urine. When you drink water, especially first thing in the morning, you're giving your kidneys the volume they need to do that job properly. Now, when you add a little lemon, something interesting happens. Lemons contain natural compounds like citrate, which can help reduce the buildup of certain substances that may form kidney stones. Think of it like this. Plain water is already helpful, but lemon water adds a gentle boost that supports the balance inside your system. But let me ask you something honestly. How many mornings have you gone hours without drinking any real water? Maybe you've done it for years without thinking twice. And that's exactly how small habits quietly affect your health. Here's the part most people don't talk about. When your body doesn't get enough hydration regularly, waste products can become more concentrated. Over time, this can make your kidneys work harder than they should. You might not feel it right away. There's no alarm bell. Just small signs, fatigue, darker urine, maybe a general feeling of being off. And it's easy to ignore those signs, especially when life gets busy. But your body notices. Your kidneys notice. Now imagine making one small change. You wake up, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water, and drink it slowly. That's it. No complicated routine. No expensive supplements. Just a simple, intentional start to your day. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. And here's what many people begin to notice when they make this a habit. They feel more refreshed in the morning. Their digestion feels smoother. Their body just feels lighter. Not overnight miracles, but steady improvements that build confidence. Let me share something important with you. Taking care of your kidneys isn't about reacting when something goes wrong. It's about supporting them quietly, every single day, so they don't have to struggle later. So the next time you wake up, pause for a moment. Before the coffee. Before the rush of the day begins. Ask yourself, what's the kindest thing I can do for my body right now? Sometimes, the answer is as simple as a glass of lemon water. And the beautiful part? You can start tomorrow morning. No pressure. No perfection. Just one small step, and your body will feel the difference. Number 3. Cranberry juice. Have you ever had that subtle feeling, maybe a slight discomfort when using the bathroom, or the sense that something just isn't quite right, and brushed it off as nothing serious? What if small signals like that are your body's quiet way of asking for support, and something as simple as what you drink could make a difference? Let me share a quick, familiar moment. Imagine you're going about your day, maybe running errands or relaxing at home. You notice you're making more trips to the bathroom than usual, or there's a mild irritation you can't quite explain. It's not painful enough to worry you, so you ignore it. Days pass, weeks even, and life goes on. But underneath, your urinary system may be dealing with more than you realize. This is where cranberry juice enters the picture, not as a miracle cure, but as a gentle, supportive habit that many people overlook. Here's something surprising that most people don't know. Cranberries contain natural compounds that may help prevent certain unwanted bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. Think about that for a second. It's not just about flushing things out, it's about making it harder for problems to start in the first place. Now, let's break this down in a simple way. Your kidneys filter waste from your blood and send it to your bladder as urine. From there, your urinary tract acts like a pathway to remove that waste from your body. But sometimes, bacteria can cling to the lining of this pathway, especially as we get older and our body's defenses change slightly. When that happens, it can lead to discomfort or infections. Cranberry juice works in a very gentle, natural way. It doesn't attack anything aggressively. Instead, it helps create an environment where certain bacteria find it harder to attach and stay. So instead of lingering, they're more likely to be flushed out when you urinate. Simple, quiet, supportive. But let me ask you something. How often do we actually think about prevention? Most of us wait until something feels wrong before we take action. And by then, the body has already been under stress for some time. Now imagine a different approach. You include a small glass of cranberry juice in your routine, not loaded with added sugar, but something closer to its natural form. You're not waiting for a problem. You're supporting your body ahead of time. And that shift, from reacting to preventing, can change everything. Here's the part that deserves your attention. As we age, the body becomes a little more sensitive. Hydration levels fluctuate more easily. The immune response may not be as quick as it once was. So small issues, especially in the urinary system, can become more frequent if ignored. You might notice subtle signs, a slight burning sensation, cloudy urine, or just feeling off. These are not things to panic about, but they are things to respect. Ignoring them repeatedly can allow minor issues to grow into more uncomfortable situations that require stronger interventions. And no one wants that. But there's good news, real, encouraging news. Your body responds incredibly well to small, consistent care. It doesn't demand perfection. It responds to attention, to kindness, to simple habits that support its natural processes. Cranberry juice can be one of those habits. Now, I want you to think about this in a practical way. Not as a chore. Not as something complicated. Just a small addition. Maybe a few times a week. Maybe part of your afternoon routine. Something you choose intentionally because you understand what it supports. And while you're at it, pay attention to how your body feels. That's the part many people skip. Your body gives feedback all the time. We just have to listen. Do you feel more comfortable? More balanced? Less irritation? These small improvements matter. They build confidence. They remind you that your actions have an impact. And here's something I want you to hold on to. Taking care of your kidneys and urinary system isn't about big dramatic changes. It's about quiet, steady support. It's about choosing habits that work with your body, not against it. So the next time you're deciding what to drink, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is this helping my body or just filling the moment? That one question can guide better choices without any pressure. Because at the end of the day, your health isn't built in one big decision. It's built in small ones, repeated over time. And choosing something as simple as cranberry juice might be one of those small decisions your body truly appreciates. Summary. In this video, we explored how subtle signs in your body, like fatigue or changes in urine, can indicate that your kidneys need support. We discussed how everyday habits, even ones that seem harmless, can quietly strain your kidneys over time. You learned that natural, simple strategies, like mindful hydration and small dietary adjustments, can make a significant difference in keeping your kidneys healthy and functioning optimally. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated. Start with small, consistent changes today, and over time your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe so you don't miss more practical health tips. And remember, the little choices you make every day can have a big impact on your long-term health.